In this video, we're going to go over how to launch your ads if you have a customer list. So let's say that you just signed on a new dentist and you have their existing patient list. And so what you can do is create a custom audience of that particular patient list from your dentist, and then also create a lookalike audience from that customer list as well. So you'll have two audiences there to play with. Now, if your client also has a list of leads that they have not done business with, but maybe they have a lead database, right? Then you can create two other audiences for those as well. So let's say they have an audience for their current patients. You'll have a custom audience for that, and then a lookalike audience from that, right? From the actual customer list. And then if they have just leads that haven't yet converted into patients, you'll create a custom audience of that as well, and then a lookalike audience of that. So for this is just going to be if your client has already a customer list of patients that they're currently working with, and for whatever reason they haven't been to the facility in a while, they haven't done their checkup, or they want to try to get those patients to come back in for teeth cleaning, teeth whitening, or maybe even an implant, right? So the first thing that we want to do here is go to custom audience, okay? And this is where we're going to upload a customer list. And so here it's showing us the different information we want to include. Let's go to next. No, we do not include a value in there. So let me go ahead and grab this here. This is an example list here. And so we'll name this here current XYZ client patients. Let's put dental client here. And then we'll go to next. Okay, email. And then we have here the first name. And then the last name. And then the city. So let's go to upload and create. And so now this is going to create us a list here of all of those individuals, okay? So let's go to done here. And so now that we have our list, let's go ahead and create a lookalike audience from this list. So let's click on this here and let's go to actions and let's create a lookalike. And so for most local businesses, you're just going to want to do the 1%. That should be just fine. So let's put in here the United States. Okay, great. And then we want to do the 1%. That's fine. And so now we have our two audiences, okay? We have our customer list audience, right, from the dentist. And then we have our lookalike of that particular customer list. And so both of these lists are what we want to use to kick off the campaign, because with the current patients, we can invite them back in to get another procedure, or maybe they've been putting something off and maybe they went to another dentist and your client wants to bring them back into the office and, start getting their treatments again, right? And so the current list here is great for showing new offers to existing patients, right? And then the lookalike, this is essentially giving us an audience here of similar individuals to this customer list. So great list here for us to target, because we know that these are very similar, right, to the actual customer list. So keep in mind here, it's important for you to understand that both of these are going to have different offers. The 1% lookalike, they don't know the client. They haven't had any prior experience with them, and it's going to require typically different type of ad copy, messaging, right, to get them familiar with the brand and then actually, submit their information to become a lead. And so that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.